We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape keyboard shortcuts to boost your productivity. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop. Once you're in, let's start with the basics. Press Ctrl+N to create a new document. If you need to open an existing file, simply press Ctrl+O. Want to save your progress, hit Ctrl+S. Now, if you want to zoom into your artwork, use the plus key, plus, and for zooming out, use the minus key. When you're working with objects and need to duplicate, select the object and press Ctrl+D. To group selected objects, press Ctrl+G, and if you want to ungroup them, use Shift plus Ctrl+G. For quick access to the alignment menu, use Shift plus Ctrl+A. This is super handy for keeping your designs neat and tidy. Need to rotate an object. Select it and use the open bracket key to rotate counterclockwise, or the close bracket key to rotate clockwise. If you want to quickly switch to the selection tool, just press the spacebar. Another time saver is using Ctrl+Z to undo your last action, or Ctrl+Y to redo it. These shortcuts can significantly streamline your workflow in Inkscape, making your design process more efficient and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.